Okay, we're taping.
Oh, I don't know where to pinch this at. This one's not as ripe as the other ones are. Wait a minute. Oh, no, wait, I wanted to do that. Near my nose now. There's a dent. Ah! Wait a minute, just back up. Hold on. Look at that blanket the ground.